Good evening, good morning, candidates. I'm going to share with you an important file which will be useful for SBI CBO, IBPS PO, and also for IBPS PO, SBI PO, and SBI clerk also. And this is that file. Yeah, here this goes like this. Um, See, these are the questions that were asked in bank, say, examinations, and it can be asked in any examination that is going to be coming in the near future also. Inchoate instrument refers to incomplete instruments. As per Section 20 of Negotiable Instruments Act, holder has legal right to complete incomplete instrument. That is for the sake of say SBI PO, IBPS PO. Say if a check is not dated, you can date it. So that is not material alteration. Is attestation or witness required for nomination by literate person account holder? No need of attestation by literate person account holder. However, two witnesses are required by illiterate account holders. When the nomination is done by illiterate account holders, then it requires the attestation. It requires the attestation. Yeah. So I'm making it slightly bigger so that people can see it easily. Yeah. Next one, without submission of proper KYC document, a foreign student can open NRO account and operate for 30 days with condition that total withdrawal should not exceed rupees 50,000. This is only for SBI CBO candidates. Loans to cooperative societies up to rupees 5 crore is classified under priority in which category? Ancillary activity. Target for weaker section advances for financial year 2023-24, 12%. All domestic bank and foreign bank which have 20 branches and above to reach the priority sector target of 40%. Enterprises where investment in plant and machinery is rupees 1 crore and turnover in the account is rupees 5 crore is classified as micro enterprises. Canara Bank has formulated a scheme to encourage branches, offices, sections, and wings to bring progress in the implementation of official language Hindi, which is uninterrupted till now, Raj Bhasha Akshay Yojana 1987. As per large exposure framework, maximum single counterparty individual exposure including of infrastructure exposure is 20%. An account holder has given a power of attorney to an agent for operating the account. The principal account holder has died and you receive a check signed by an agent. Whether the check issued by power of attorney holder can be passed. Since the principal has died, the agency stands terminated and such checks signed by the agent will be returned unpaid. Will be returned unpaid. Under positive payment system in CTS, banks shall enable it for all account holders issuing checks for amounts of rupees 50,000 and above. While availing this facility is at the discretion of the account holder, banks may consider making it mandatory in case of checks for amounts of rupees 50,000 and above. Garnishee order will be applicable in accounts where banker customer relationship is that of debtor and creditor. Bond, which is approved by the government, or gilt edged bonds securities. They are most safe and liquid securities. The new pension scheme subscriber will be allowed to withdraw the entire corpus in lump sum if the total corpus is equal to less than rupees 5 lakh after obtaining the maturity of 60 years. The presenting branches should preserve the physical checks in their custody securely for a period of 10 years. The images of all government checks paid should be preserved by the drawee banks likewise for a period of 10 years. No loan related for ad hoc service charges, inspection charges should be levied on priority sector loans up to rupees 25,000. In the case of eligible priority sector loans to small self-help group and joint liability groups, this limit will be applicable per member and not to the group as a whole. That is 25,000, not as a whole. If there are 10 members, 2,50,000. No margin and collateral security to be taken in agricultural advances up to rupees 1.60 lakh. Which type of customer is not eligible for getting the debit card? Joint account with operational mandate to be operated jointly. So these are the questions which will be of use mainly for SBI CBO candidates, also for say SBI PO and IBPS PO candidates. This level of questions may not be asked for IBPS clerks. So best wishes. Thank you so much.